Welcome to all. Today we see the lecture number 2 and 3 is the ancient agriculture practices, Paleolithic age, Mesolithic period, Neolithic agriculture revolutions and Chalcolithic culture, and beginning of agriculture in India, archaeological and historical facts. So today we first see the development of human culture. It is supposed that man was evolved on earth about 15 lakhs years ago. This man was evolved from the monkey who started to move by standing erect on his feet. Such man has been called Homo erectus or Java man. Later on, Java man transformed into Cro-Magnon and Cro-Magnon into modern man. The modern man is zoologically known as a Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens means Homo means continuous and sapiens means to learning a habit. In the beginning, such man had been spending his life wildly, but during the period 8700 to 7700 BC, they started to pet the sheep and goat. Although the first pet animal was a dog which used for hunting. The history of agriculture and civilization go hand in hand as the food production made it possible for primitive man to settle down in selected areas, leading to formation of society and initiation of civilization. Then the development of civilization and agriculture had passed through several stages. Archaeologists initially classified the stages as Stone Age, Bronze Age and Iron Age. Subsequently, the scholars split up the Stone Age into Paleolithic, it is Old Stone Age, then Neolithic is a New Stone Age, and Mesolithic is a Middle Stone Age. Each of three ages saw distinct improvements. The man fashioned and improved tools out of stones, bones, woods, etc. to help them in day-to-day life. They started growing food crops and domesticated animals like cow, sheep, goat and dog. So first one we see the Paleolithic age. It is the Old Stone Age or Ancient Stone Age. The age of human culture characterized by the use of rough or chipped stone tools. This period is characterized by the food gatherers and hunters. Then the Stone Age man started making the stone tools, then crude choppers. Man was essentially a food gatherer and dependent on nature for food. He learned to control the fire, which helped him to improve his way of living. At the end of this stage, the modern human beings, like the Homo sapiens, first appear around 36,000 BC. Then we see the Mesolithic period is a Mesostone Age. The transitional period between end of Paleolithic and beginning of Neolithic is called as the Mesolithic period. It began about 10,000 BC and ended with the rise of agriculture. The period is characterized by the tiny stone implements, and this tiny stone implements is called as a microliths. People live as a food gatherers and hunters, and the domestication of the dogs was major achievement of the Mesolithic hunter. Then Neolithic or a New Stone Age. So we see the Neolithic Stone Age. The word lithium is come from the Greek word lithos, which means the stone, while new means new. Human settlement in the Indian subcontinent is from 7500 to 4000 BC. Neolithic revolution brought major changes in the techniques of food production, which gave man control over his environment and saved him from the precarious existence of mere hunting and gathering of wild berries and fruits. Man began to domesticate the animals and cultivate plants, settling down in villages to form the farming communities. Beginning a discovery of agriculture take place in a Neolithic period. Agriculture revolution has occurred in Western Asia during the same period. Then invention of polished stone implements has taken place. Main features of Neolithic culture in India, like a Neolithic culture denotes a stage in economic and technological development in India. Use of polished stone axes for cleaning the dishes. Handmade pottery for storing the food grains. Then invented the textile, weaving and basketry. Then cultivation of rice, banana, sequins and yams in eastern parts of India. Cultivation of millets and pulses in South India. Then discovery of silks. Then next we see the Bronze Age is the Chalcolithic culture. Chalcolithic culture prevailed in the Bronze Age. The term Chalcolithic is applied to communities using stone implements along with copper and bronze. In more advanced communities, the proportion of copper and bronze implements is higher than that of stones. The most ancient civilization on the Indian subcontinent, the sophisticated and extensive Indus Valley civilization. Then the significant features like invention of the plough. Then agriculture shifted from the hilly areas to the lower river valley. Flood water was stored for irrigation and canals were dug in this period. Then irrigated farming started in this period. Sowing of seeds by dibbling with the pointed stick. Then sanitary problem and waterlogging were noticed due to the canal irrigation. So last we see the beginning of agriculture in India. So first point is a demographic pressure probably led to the adoption of crop cultivation and animal husbandry, leading of modern civilization. Next, consumer demand within a constrained space forced the adoption of some form of intensive agriculture. Other evidence for this trend is found in Peru, where people domesticated camel and guinea pigs 2000 years before the crop cultivation. Agriculture would have been started with the end of last ice age period between 1000 to 8000 years ago. Before this, people living the hunter and gathering lifestyle dependent upon what was available. Historical evidence show that agriculture started around 8500 years ago from the Near East, reaching a Britain around 6000 years ago and Spain and Portuguese by 5000 years ago. Then the American Indians of central Brazil called the Caipo are the modern version of hunter-gatherer people, with chickens, crops such as corn, sweet potatoes, sweet manioc and yams, and a hunting lifestyle. They represent a transition from hunter-gathering lifestyle to an agriculture lifestyle. What they caught by hunting, be it a tortoise, deer, fish, or a wild pig, they had to share and they discouraged the selfishness. Then women worked in a group and gathered fruit, nuts, plants from the same forest where the men hunt. Ironically, on finding a high fruit tree, they cut it down with a metal axe to harvest the ripe fruit. Domestic crops and animals become more important as a food than wild animals and plants. Agriculture is relatively new, only emerging between 12,000 and 8,000 years ago, and has often caused environmental damage but had led to the social changes that have allowed the formation of our modern civilization. The domestication of dogs and turkeys followed agriculture. People made tools such as bone ripping knives with the flint cutting teeth.